Ready? Start the flow. Flowing, pressure's good. Check the runoff efficiency. Soil's darkening well. Good, final checks.
Let's get this sofa centered.
On it, moving it now. Bed box going upstairs.
Perfect, bedroom next.
Bed frame's almost done, headboard's in place.
Great, stack the boxes.
Fast motion setup of smart home systems. Technicians install and calibrate devices. Lights and climate controls activate in sequence. Security systems and cameras are configured.
Clearing the gutters now. Got it, blowing the ridge. Check this shingle for stability. Solid, tightening the fixture. Rinsing now, all clear. Testing circuits now. Switching systems on. All clear, sealing up. Starting the pressure test. Flow is increasing and stabilizing. Activating irrigation zones. Adjusting valves, soil is absorbing well. Test complete, system is good.
Scanning initial section for heat loss. Moving along the ridge to check insulation. Pausing at the joint for a structural check. Efficiency is good, no issues here. Scanning wall integrity. Checking roof line. Marking stable point. Reviewing results. Audit complete, no defects.
Opening access to check buried lines. Inspecting pipes and cables now. Testing flow and connectivity. All systems confirmed, closing up.
All right, starting the calibration. Check the pressure in zone 1. Adjusting zone 2 next. Good, balance the zones evenly. All zones synced, hydration is balanced.
Initiating sequence now. Pathway lights calibrated. Sensors responsive, house lights optimized.